Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because we're about to dive into a story that might just make you believe time travel is possible, well, at least for cars. Enter the all-new Ford Escort, a car that's like the cool, rebellious cousin who never followed the rules but still managed to be the most stylish one at the family reunion. Ford's latest take on the Escort is a revamp of the classic, but with a twist. Imagine your childhood buddy went to the gym, got a fresh haircut, and then got a degree in engineering. That's this Ford Escort, folks. It weighs only 800 kilograms, 1,764 pounds, and is packing a monstrous 300 horsepower from its 2.1-liter engine. Yeah, you heard that right. Now, before we go any further, make sure to subscribe to the Cool Ideas channel. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. We've got more cool rides, hilarious takes, and all the juicy details you won't get anywhere else. Go ahead, hit that button, we'll wait. Alright, back to the business. This new Ford Escort isn't just a modernized version of the old-school classic, it's a full-on sports car, and it's only available in a limited edition of 150 units. With a starting price of 295,000 British pounds, roughly 373,000 US dollars, or 355,000 euros. That's not pocket change, folks, but it's a tribute to the legendary Escort RS 2000 from the 1970s, a car that was as much of a star in rallying as your uncle who still claims he can totally beat you at Mario Kart. Bora Motorworks, the British company behind this project, isn't just slapping a new engine into an old chassis and calling it a day. No, they've gone full throttle. This thing is built from the ground up. The body is made of steel, but they've reinforced it with some modern magic titanium and aluminum. That's right, it's light and nimble, just like a boxer ducking out of the way of a haymaker. And let's talk about those specs. The base model packs a 1.8-liter, 184 horsepower engine. But if you want to take your fun to another level, you can opt for the 2.1-liter, 300 horsepower beast, paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox. Let's face it, if you're driving this thing, you're not looking for a cruise control experience you want to feel every shift. No anti-lock braking system, no power steering, just pure, unadulterated driving experience. Inside, it's a mix of classic and modern. You've got the leather and Alcantara seats, giving you the kind of comfort that says, I can race and still look good doing it. The dashboard has been updated with new gauges and a small touchscreen, though if you're hoping for a fancy entertainment system, you're out of luck. It's not about distractions, it's about the drive. So, if you've got 295,000 British pounds burning a hole in your pocket and the desire to own one of the coolest tributes to a bygone era, this Ford Escort might just be your ticket to automotive nirvana. But remember, these 150 units are going fast, so if you want in, now's the time to act. And as always, there's a link to the official product website in the video description below. Check it out for more details. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. You don't want to miss out on the latest cool ideas, trust me.